Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you the top tips and tricks for the Galaxy S22 Ultra S Pen. Now, this can do a lot more than just standard writing, so I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks you can really do to make sure that it's the best experience you have with the S Pen. Make sure to like and subscribe at the end if you do find this video helpful, and make sure to also check out our other tips and tricks video to really get a 5-hour plus battery life on this phone, not to mention it moves so much faster. So for the first bit, I always like to go to Instagram just because this is a prime example of what your finger can't do, but the S Pen can do. So on Instagram, you normally cannot highlight text. No matter what screen you're on, you can't highlight text. If you try to highlight text in a section, you can basically just report it and that's about it. But with the S Pen, you can do more. So you can hold down the little button that's on the S Pen, and when you do, you then will be able to highlight your text. So if you ever need to highlight any text that normally you cannot highlight with just your finger, you can highlight it with the S Pen. And that is one thing that makes the S Pen very unique over any other device, because this comes into practice a lot with something like text messages. If you happen to only want to highlight a specific section of a text message or email or something like that, normally it only allows you to highlight the whole thing. With this, you can actually specifically pick what you want to highlight, just that section, copy it, paste it, simple and easy for whatever you need. All right, now for the next part, it is a really great ability to basically make some high quality GIFs. Yes, you don't always have to use Giphy or something else like that to make a GIF. You can actually do it all on your own. So if you want to do it from a movie scene, say you're watching on Disney Plus or something like that, like you wanted to take Captain America's shield part and have that one scene. Well, you can actually do that just by, I would first pause your video, click the S Pen icon, and then go to Smart Select. So from here, you can actually choose a bunch of things, your normal square, cloud if you want to kind of do a little shape yourself, and GIF. So right here, it already has selected a screen section, so that is what I want. You can create a high quality or standard quality, and then you could just play and record. And now I can go up to 15 seconds, recording this really high quality one. And now I can send this wherever I want. So it's really great just to be able to share it, simple and easy, and even a fast moving one like this, it actually takes a really good quality version of it. By the way, while we're on this section too, if you do happen to highlight other things such as text, you can actually extract that text. So I can take it exactly for what I need and then bam, copy and paste it. Again, very simple and very easy, but something that is so needed. Now you can customize this exactly how you want it, but by default, you can take photos and videos with the S Pen very easily. And this is great, especially if you're setting up for a photo or a video, but you can customize this. So you go to Advanced Features and Settings, then you go to S Pen, and then you go to Air Actions. By default, again, you can change these type of things, but holding it down for a long duration will allow you to launch your camera. And there you go. So simple and easy to launch your camera and then take a photo. In this case, it's a night shot because it's very dark right there, and double press to take a selfie. Simple, easy to do, but such a great ability just to be able to quickly launch it. And of course, I use this a lot for when I need to set up video. I set the whole thing up, and then this is like a little selfie trigger thing where I basically start the video with this, end the video with this. Really great and simple and easy to use, but something that is so sought after in other smartphones that this has built in. Now this next one, people are always still surprised when you learn it for the first time, but an S Pen is an S Pen by any other name. So on any device that has an S Pen, whether it be a standalone S Pen or whether it be a tablet S Pen, they all work. So that is one thing that's very unique to S Pens, is that if you have one for a tablet, you can use the one from the tablet, you can use the one from the phone, and vice versa. They work across all of their different platforms. Even some laptops have an S Pen, and guess what? That's right, you can use any single one of these on all of those devices. Now, the only time it would reject it is if you have the S Pen inside. So if you have the S Pen inside, it might reject it, and you can actually enable that. Again, same section, advanced features, S Pen, and right here, allow multiple S Pens. This will allow you to write using a different or bigger S Pen, even when your S Pen that's built in is inside. So you can use any S Pen you want if you want a bigger size one, so it's easier to write with, or if you want one from your tablet and using it back and forth on your phone and your tablet, that's a really easy way to do it as well. But it's just nice because S Pens can be used across all of Samsung's devices, as long as it supports the S Pen, of course. Now with this next one, I'm gonna show you two different ways to write a quick note, but also how you can change it if you want to do something else like I do, which is a screenshot. So one really cool thing you can do with the Samsung by default out of the box is when you hold the button down on the S Pen and then tap the screen twice, it automatically will bring up a quick note for S Note. So you can basically write here, and simple and easy. Very easy to do right off the bat, and it obviously can be saved right away. So anytime you need to do something, it's very easy to do and a great ability to have. But if you want to customize it, there are a lot of things you can do with the S Pen that do not come built into the settings. Now, we've talked about Good Lock several times on the channel. I'll leave the link for the full description on this device, but this really enhances your overall S22 experience. So one thing it has, if you go into the family section, is Pentastic. And what Pentastic allows you to do is a bunch of different things, from change the cursor, so you can have it be a different, instead of a little circle, you can have it be like an arrow and have it be a heart. All these different things you can have, and however you want to customize, you can make a cool lightsaber sound when you take it out and put it back in. That's very old school. But the one thing I love the most is double tap shortcut, which I love to have it as screen write, just because I do a lot more screen captures, especially when I have the S Pen out, than anything else, including taking notes. So instead of taking a quick note, I will instead always love to have a screenshot so I can write on something and then immediately share it for whatever I need it for, crop it, whatever I need to do. But this is my favorite thing to absolutely do with the double tap. Now, if you do want to write a quick note still, but like this screen feature, well, there's actually a quicker way to write a note than any other way. Again, this is a little bit old school, but if you don't know and haven't had an S Pen before, if you click it while it's on the off screen, then you can immediately write here. And this is really good because it's just like a Samsung Note in terms of being able to quickly write something, saving it, and then having it for later. So it's a really great way to, say, write a number down when your screen's off. Again, very simple and easy, and all it is as soon as your screen is off, you just start writing and you're ready to take a note. So it's an easy way to take a quick note. Now the next feature is going to be that you can always write wherever you can type. So if you have the S Pen out on a Samsung app or something that supports the Samsung ecosystem, you can actually see this little cursor pop up when I get near a writing area, and I can search just like that. Oops, and I wrote good luck. But again, you can space it, you can type out whatever you want, and it's just a really simple way to be able to use it. Now you can also, in a setting where you type, again, instead write, but if it's not supported, by default, you can write it here instead. So you can search for whatever you want. And simple and easy to be able to do, but it is so handy just to be able to write quickly. Now, if you're wondering how I did this, you can guess where we're gonna go. Settings, advanced features, S Pen, and right here, S Pen to text. Very simple and very easy, but it'll allow you to always write, and then it'll immediately convert it to text. Simple and easy to do, and a great feature when you have your S Pen out. Now for the last feature, we're not going too far. We're gonna again be in this little S Pen section, and just wanted to let you know that one of the best features you can put on that's not on by default on this phone is right here. Warn if your S Pen is left behind. This will basically vibrate your phone and let you know, hey, your S Pen isn't in if you happen to walk away with your phone. It basically detects how far away it is, if it's a certain distance. This is paired through low Bluetooth, so if it is off for a little while, then you're able to detect it and know that you have left your S Pen behind. This has saved many people from losing their S Pen, so it's kind of important. Alright guys, I hope you did like that video. If you did, please give a like, thumbs up down below. We have a lot more coming on this device, including the hidden features video, but all the links will be in the description down below if you need the good locked video, if you need how to save 5 hours of battery life, whatever you need, we have it here, so make sure to subscribe. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.